let's take a break for a moment and talk about why I'm such a crazy person about getting away from using the mouse. First of all, in using, you're going to see that I'm going to walk off screen, because what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to relax a little bit. That's what you should be doing. You should be getting up every 30 to 40 minutes and actually stretching your legs out, stretching your arms out, rolling your shoulders, turning your head, so that you don't develop what's called RSI, repetitive strain injury. And there are multiple sources of repetitive strain injury that you can encounter throughout the course of the workday. You know, when you're sitting in front of your PC, everybody knows that, you know, you get crunched over, and your muscles will build up that tension and you feel it. Well, it is documented. People are going to the physician more and more to report, you know, I've got this problem on my shoulder, my neck hurts, I've got eye strain. Everybody knows about headaches. But you're seeing more and more problems with elbows, arm strain, wrist strain, and it happens because people are using their mouse and they're tense using their mouse, and they don't have the proper posture when using their peripherals, their whole PC environment. You know, they're looking down at their machine, they're crunched down. So there's a host of maladies that are coming to the forefront of our healthcare based on being crunched in front of our computers. So we do need to take time out. We do need to take time to twitch, to move, and to keep moving so that we don't develop these tension zones in our arms, our shoulders, our head, our neck, and our back, because we don't want to have surgery just based on the fact that we could have moved throughout the course of the day, but we didn't. So, you know, now taking that time to just move and relax and, you know, find different postures. We're going to go back to our operating system theory and talk about the components again and review, okay, this is the start button and that's the start menu. Everybody navigates that start menu. But we're going to talk about the ways so that we can get places faster without necessarily double-clicking on my computer or opening up a Word file and then opening up the file from the recently used list or what have you. But we can go someplace faster using the Run box. Okay, back to the Run box. You can click Start, or you can and you can click Run. For example, if I want to get to the control panel, I'm sure a lot of people want to get to the control panel for some reason. They want to customize the way that their monitor looks. They want to change the resolution, change your mouse, change the pointer on your mouse, maybe make it bigger, maybe make it transparent. I know a lot of people customize their mouse and give themselves these little animated pointers, which are, you know, similar to the spinning bar, maybe the little dinosaur or the horse, you know, all those cute little things. But I will tell you, when you're using the application of maybe Excel per se, your mouse pointer should be an arrowhead, and I don't want to be a killjoy on that whole matter, but there are certain features of the mouse pointer that it's designed to be an arrowhead, and it's designed to have a hot spot relative to the tip of the arrow. That hot spot relative to the XYZ coordinates on the window and in the cell, or hovering over a command button or a certain thingy in the window. It's designed to be sensitive and enable certain menu features and capabilities for that mouse pointer. So if you're struggling with making your computer or your file or your such and such do what you needed to do, maybe the animated mouse pointer might not be the best option. Maybe modifying the arrowhead to make it look a little different, but maintaining the arrowhead might be more helpful. So not to harp on that point, but just to hit something home, I'm not a killjoy with the animated mouse pointers, but maybe if you're suffering from having to click things multiple times and you're like, why didn't this work? You know, why am I frustrated with this? Maybe revisiting the mouse pointers might be an option for you.